Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. It's been a little while. Uh, Day job's been really busy, so kind of tired when I get home to work on projects. So I did get the Nomad controller one port installed here. So that turned out it's actually quite flush. It's pretty nice actually. I might go with some really super fine grit sandpaper to clean up one edge slightly, but you can see it's nice and flush with the surface here. It doesn't stick out at all. It's the same flushness as the. It turned out two of the nuts was just the right depth to bump it back, so that worked out well. I'm trying to figure out now is how to reliably mount this screen power switch. I got the hole drilled for it up here, but I need to figure out how the heck to really keep it in place. And I've got this 12-volt buck regulator. I'm just trying to figure out where to put all this stuff in here. I might end up doing both. There's a nice little pocket in here where there's nothing going on, so I might sneak it along the side here to do it. Haven't made a lot of progress. It's like the first time I've been down here in like 4 days, so I did get the controller port installed, and the cable routing was actually pretty easy to get up here. So now there's a shield, another shield that goes over this. So I'll install the other shield, and I gotta find some way to keep this, because the only problem you have with a button is you want to have it some sort of backing to it so it doesn't back out. So I might make up a little piece of hard plastic here. I'm not sure yet, or just go ye old fashioned hot glue. That actually is usually pretty strong stuff, but I don't really want to go down that road. I might epoxy a little backing on there so it doesn't back its way out when it's in use. And I think I might just have enough room for this buck converter over there. I got plenty of cable length for it. I'm just trying to figure out physically where the heck to put it. It looks like it'll fit. I might need to rearrange where that. Oh, see, this is a kind of a rat's nest right now. This cable is going to be routed underneath here. I'm a little worried about some of the cable routing, so that's going to be a next challenge. Particularly the power and ground on it are picked off the top of the board, so it's going to be a little bit of a challenge routing those all through. That's the power and ground for the joystick port. So now I'm working on next. But yeah, first thing is getting that button in and figuring out where in the world I'm going to fit this thing. Yeah, it's still probably going to sneak it right along in here. Yeah, I got enough cable here. See, like I said, my biggest worry is I might need to extend. Where's it gonna end up? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to extend the power. These two lines here, the power and ground, for the joystick port, because I just don't quite have enough length to make it from basically in top here, and it has to fit underneath and then go all the way over underneath here. So I'm gonna have to lengthen that up a little bit. Well, that's the challenge of this, because I've never done this before, so I'm trying to figure out where the heck I'm going to go with it. Do I have another one of these? Let me see. Oh, where's that? No, wrong one. Is that my last buck converter? Hold on. Oh, I do have more boost over there. Hold on. I keep a big supply cabinet over my other workbench with a bunch of extra parts for this. I do like the wide angle on this new camera though. So yeah, that's the same size there. So let's see. Oh yeah, that'll fit down. I'll have it tucked in right in over here. I just need to move the this extra cap on here around the list a little bit. So a little more solder work and extend some wires. But it's almost Friday, so I'll be able to knock this out and then get back to that CDX. I apologize for how long it's been taking because it's just not been down here enough. So thanks for watching.